What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. I'm Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this movie I want to share with you what are the top cryptocurrencies in the market right now. And believe me, that is not an easy question to answer. The reason why is because it depends. I'm going to have different opinion than you and than many other people, especially in crypto where everyone's opinion is valid. And I think it's that diversity of thought that makes us really strong as a community, right? We have different communities in the market and we have different opinions when it comes to what are the top cryptocurrencies. You're saying right now, some people will say maybe Shiba Inu, other ones will say Bitcoin or Ethereum or Cardano or Solana. But if you're a beginner, I think I can help you have a different thought, a different opinion, and at the end of the day, you will have more knowledge as far as how to choose the cryptos you want. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're happy to have you back. Now, first thing is looking at CoinMarketCap, which is a website that previously we've talked about. This website, same as CoinGecko and same as other different websites, allowed you to see the top cryptocurrencies by market cap, which we already know what market cap is, multiplying the outstanding tokens available in circulating supply times the price of the cryptocurrency. And there you go, you get your market cap. You're seeing the numbers at Bitcoin less than 500 billion because we're in a bear market, but it used to be that Bitcoin was at above 1 trillion. So that was huge, right? But regardless, what are the cryptocurrencies that are the top according to what? Well, you're seeing right here on the screen categories, right? And if I click here, I'm just gonna see so many different categories that start with AMMs, decentralized finance, Web3, NFT, and what have you. It really depends what you are looking for, right? If you're starting in NFTs per se, then you want to see what are the top NFT projects and cryptos. For example, Sandbox, ApeCoin, Decentraland, and so on. Let's say that you want to do more decentralized exchange coins. Well, that'll be your BNB, your Crypto.com, your FTX, your KuCoin. If you want to do, let's say, storage of value, then Bitcoin, Cardano, and so on. Blockchain layer 1, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Solana, and so on. Really depends. And of course, meme coins or community tokens. Number one, by market cap, that will be Dogecoin, followed by Shiba Inu. So first and foremost, understand the different categories, because when you're buying your first crypto, you maybe don't know where to start, and you want to start by the top because you usually have less risk of losing your money, because we don't want to lose money. But if you're buying the top, usually you won't see such a huge change. Rather, if you buy one that is at the bottom of the scale, super risky, maybe you don't even know it, it's unheard of, but you have a greater chance of ballooning all the way to the moon at a random date. But that is really not what anyone recommends, right? That is really for some top level pros or some pretty eventful people and colorful people. So that being said, the top cryptocurrencies really industry wise are gonna be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and that's it. A lot of people agree to that just because these two have proven to be stable for the last 5 to 7 years. You see them time and time again in the top 10, top 5 by market cap in the last 5 to even 10 years, especially Bitcoin, right? So you wanna, if you're starting in the crypto market, if you don't wanna really get too much risk, but still get the reward of holding and potentially multiplying your money by 2x, 3x, 4x, and even 5x, those will be your choices. Note, we have more cryptos down below Ethereum that are extremely awesome, well-known, and very effective, and they're growing as we speak, but they come nowhere even close in market capitalization at this time. So if you want to buy the top dogs, the top cryptos, that'll be these two, and that's it. There's some Bitcoin maxes, which these are Bitcoin maximalists that only buy Bitcoin because they think that anything else that other than Bitcoin is basically an S coin, right? It's just a garbage coin. That's how they refer it, because they see nothing has value but Bitcoin, and we respect that opinion. But as far as myself, I love other cryptos like Cardano, Solana, Shiba Inu, KuCoin, BNB, and what have you. They do have value. They add a little bit to the blockchain, and I think that's what's powerful. So in this video, I think you're understanding a little bit how important it is to do your own research and understand the projects that you want to start buying, because it depends who you ask for, and you have to create your own opinion and your own analysis before you buy and consider X coin to be your top crypto. Thank you very much for watching. Let us know in the comments down below what you think, and I'll see you next time. Peace.